Oh, Chucky.
Lolo is at the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing, Chucky?
He's doing his recording. He's recording.
Hey, Tyler. Hey, I'm sorry to interrupt. I was just wondering how Vicky's doing since you guys are so close. Is she okay?
Chucky.
Do they know what attacked her? Is she going to make a full recovery? Like, was she happy to see you? What room number was she in? I'm going to kick your ass. You keep saying that we're going to actually do it.
Chucky. Papa.
Right now.
Chucky. Papa.
This is your final win.
Chucky. No, you're not supposed to get
I
out.
swear to God, I will kill you.
Come here, Chucky.
Damn, that was like a death threat. You hear that?
Keeping her overnight to make sure there's no infection, but she should be able to come home.
Wow. You got out. Good boy.
Called and left a message.
No, hi, Chucky.
Say
You get
hi,
out.
Chucky.
Right there.
See how long it takes her to come rushing.
No, you don't want to get on. Here, let me open the gate so Lola can get out, okay? Come on, Lola. She's going to get out.
Did you say?
Come on, Lola.
Chucky.
You got to move back so she can get out. She's free. Come
Wow.
on, Lola. Get out your neck.
Lola, are you scared?
Yeah, you got to move back a little bit. There she goes. Come on, don't be scared. Come on with the family.
Chucky.
Wow.
Oh, he's fine.
Chucky, I'm still eating breakfast. You can't be eating.
Come here, you can come with
Hovering
me.
over the.
You know,
Hovering
Good
over
boy.
my breakfast.
I know you love me. Papa.